Oke, thank you so much Yoga for attending our interview for today gitu ya. First of all, I want to say thank you so much and also congratulations because you faced the LGD phase and thank you so much for coming to this interview gitu ya. Anyway, since I just want to know you better gitu in this interview, you can just relax and if you ever feel thirsty, gak apa-apa gitu ya. Minum aja gitu gak apa-apa, izin aja and tell me aja gitu. Feel free to take a sip. So, are you ready?
Of course, I'm ready, Kak Josephine.
Okay. Thank you so much. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Josephine, and I'm from TMXP department, and I will be your interviewer today. And my first question is, how was your day today, Yuga?
Okay, thank you for the question, Kak Josephine. So today so far is so good. I'm doing fine. I went to my favorite cafe and I ordered my favorite drink. So I'm very well right now. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, Yoga, for your answer. And then I will jump to the question aja gitu ya. So, um, what do you know about ISAC and its membership? Do you get a question, Yoga?
Okay, I get the question, Josephine, Kak Josephine. So in my opinion, ISAC is number one international youth leadership organization, and they develop their membership. They develop their member through real experience, through real practical experience. I think that's all, Kak Josephine. Thank you so much.
Cool. Thank you so much, Yoga. We'll jump into the next question. So, what do you understand about ISAC's exchange programs and their impact? Do you get a question, Yoga?
Can you repeat the question, Kak Josephine?
Yes,
Please, I think.
yes. Yes. So, what do you understand about ISAC exchange program and their impact? Jadi kayak Isaac kan ada program exchange gitu ya. Kamu understand tentang apanya kah dan tahu kira-kira tahu nggak impactnya apa gitu? Do you get a question?
Oh, okay, I got the question, Kak Josephine. So, in my opinion, exchange, the exchange program at ISAC and also there's a global volunteer, but from point of view ISAC itself, there's a three program for exchange. There's global volunteer, global talent, and global teacher. And I think why we need exchange basically because Isaac believed that we can achieve peace through cross-cultural exchange. So, yeah, I think that's all for me. Thank you, Kak.
Cool. Thank you so much, Yoga. And then for the next question, in your opinion, how can Isaac, through leadership experience and exchange, be relevant to youth, Indonesia, and even the world? Do you get a question?
Okay, I get the question, Kak. So in my opinion, how the cross-cultural exchange can give impact, I think from cross-cultural exchange, we can get the cross-cultural understanding that leads us to something that we can understand others' POV, and I think from that thing we can achieve peace, Kak. Thank you so much.
Cool. Thank you so much, Yoga. We'll jump into the next question. So, yes, define your plan for the whole in university life, and do you have any intention for move to another university? Do you get a question?
I get the question, Kak. So my plan for my university life, so it's like I'm right now a first year student at psychology. I think I want to join organization like ISEC maybe, and I think for the next 2 year I still want to be in ISEC. And the next question about do I have a plan to go to another university? I think I have no plan to go to another university, Kak. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, Yoga. So, jump to the next question. How do you usually handle a challenge? Give me one real example. Do you get a question?
I get the question, Kak. So, how do I overcome my challenge as for your information, Kak, I'm a duta siswa nasional duta utama. So I think how do I tackle the pressure? I think I have a lot of experience with high pressure, and I think I'm really good with it because I have a good emotional management. I have a good time management, so I can set the priority from each task. So I can do the best one from the first one gitu Kak. Jadi kayak aku bisa nentuin nih prioritas mana yang aku kerjain duluan gitu. Thank you Kak.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much, Yoga, for your cool answer. And maybe it will be the last question gitu ya for our interview. So, when you're working in a team, what role do you usually take and why? Do you get a question?
I get the question, Kak. So I think when I'm working in a team, I usually take a leader role. Why? Because I believe that I'm born to be a leader, Kak. So because of that, I think I have a more power. I have a more skills to encourage people, gitu, Kak. So I think in daily life, I usually take a role leader, Kak because I believe that I'm born to be a leader. Thank you, Kak.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much, Yoga, for your cool answer. And also thank you so much for attending our interview for today. Kira-kira dari Yoga ada nggak yang mau ditanyain sebelum kita close nih?
Thank you so much, Kak. I think I already clear about the interview because uh, I think I already answered the question very well dan aku udah pede banget kalau misalnya aku tuh udah bisa jebol. Amin gitu, Kak. Karena aku kayak ngerasa semua pertanyaan Kakak tuh bisa aku jawab dengan baik banget gitu.
Oke, oke, oke. Thank you so much for your confidence, Yoga. Jadi, yes, wish you luck gitu ya untuk apapun resultnya nanti. Semoga it's the best result for you gitu. Jadi, yes, thank you so much, Yoga. Mungkin setelah ini bisa dilanjutkan gitu aktivitasnya. Goodbye, Yoga.